In this video, I will show you how you can fix the battery draining issue when not in use on your iPad 11 A16. Now, if you're facing battery draining issues on your iPad 11 A16 even when your iPad is not in use, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just tap on Location Services. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on System Services. Now from here, just disable the toggle for the services for which you don't want to use the location services. For an example, if you don't want to use the location services for system customizations, just disable the toggle for system customizations from here. Also disable the toggle for any other services for which you don't want to use the location services. Now you can either do that or you can just go back and you can disable location services from here. Now after you've done that, then in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on notifications. Now from here, just scroll down and from this app list, just select the app for which you want to disable the notifications. For an example, I'll select this app. Now to disable the notifications for the selected app, just disable this toggle. Now just go back and do the same thing with all the other apps for which you want to disable notifications. Now after you've done that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Under the General settings, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option for Background App Refresh. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just scroll down and disable the toggle for the apps which you don't want to refresh in the background. Just like that. Now you can either do that or you can just disable Background App Refresh completely. Now after you do that, all the apps on your iPad will not be able to refresh in the background. After that, just tap on Display and Brightness, and from here just select Dark Mode. Now after that, just open the Control Center on your iPad, and from here just go to the Connection section. Now from here just disable the connections which are not in use. For an example, if you're using the Wi-Fi, just turn off the mobile data, and also if you're not using the AirDrop, just turn it off. And the same goes with all the other connections on your iPad. Now finally, just go back to the settings and tap on battery. Now over here, if you scroll down, you will find the option for low power mode. Now to save even more battery, just turn on this toggle. And after you turn on low power mode, your iPad will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPad. Now after you've done that, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go back to the settings, and under settings, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on Software Update. Now over here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.